How to play piano real easy. Have you run out of ideas on fun things to do with your friends and family during gatherings? Do you want your spouse to admire you even more? Are you looking for a way to build stronger bonds with your friends and family? Why not learn how to play the piano real easy? Learning to play the piano is a great way to have fun with your family and friends. Strong family ties can be built as the entire family sings together while you play. You can also impress your family and friends with your new talent and make them to admire you even more. You can arrange a romantic outing with your spouse and thrill them with your newfound talent, thus building more intimacy in your relationship. You can also play for your loved ones on special occasions like birthdays and anniversaries and fill them with great admiration for you. There are many benefits to be derived from playing the piano. Research shows that music education, especially playing the piano, is beneficial for people of all ages. Such benefits include but are not limited to: 1. It's a great way to relieve stress, it's good for your mental health. 2. Music training keeps the brain active and can thus prevent or delay the onset of Alzheimer's disease by keeping the mind active and engaged. 3. It helps children in school. Children who learn a musical instrument such as the piano do better academically and socially. Their mathematical, reading, memory and language skills are greatly enhanced. They have a better ability to focus and have high confidence and self-esteem. 4. Playing the piano is a great self-image booster, as playing the piano is often associated with sophistication and genius. People who play the piano look good and are always regarded as highly intelligent. If you do not have enough money to hire a piano instructor or the place of instruction is just too far from you, then Learn Piano in 30 Days is just for you. Most people say, am I too old to learn? If you are afraid that you may be too old to learn how to play piano, rest assured. It is never too late to learn. Playing the piano is a great skill to have in life, and although the beginning is usually challenging, the experience is quite fun. Though learning becomes harder with age, this obstacle can be overcome if you set aside enough time to practice. Some people are more talented than others, still practice makes perfect. Talent without hard work is not beneficial. Anyone can become a pro by working hard, and there's always more room for improvement even for the talented. And most people also ask, is it too hard to learn? Just like me, you may be afraid that it may be too hard for you to learn. Nothing good comes easy in life. What matters is that you have the interest and the drive to learn. Once you get started, you will find that not only is it fun, but it's not nearly as hard to learn as you thought. Don't let fear keep you from getting a very exciting skill. If you do, you'll be filled with regret every time you see someone playing. Here are some tips to help you beat your fear. 1. Don't compare yourself with others. Always go at your own pace, as everyone is different and therefore learns differently. 2. Play because you love and enjoy playing. As long as it makes you happy, you don't have to worry about how fast or how well you are playing. Just keep at it, devoting enough time to practice and watch yourself make great progress. 3. Finally, don't be nervous and don't be stressed out about playing perfectly. Stress will only make the learning process harder. Ever tried doing something while nervous? How successful were you at it? So be calm and patient and make it more of a fun experience. Now that you've seen how beneficial learning how to play the piano is, why not begin today? What would it mean to you to begin playing the piano and seeing results? We all know playing the piano may require a long time and may be quite frustrating unless you're using the right approach. Why not cut your piano learning time in half by taking 2 minutes to go to Learn Piano in 30 Days website and discover advanced techniques that will make you wow your audience and be the center of attention whenever you sit down to play the piano for the rest of your life. Want more details? Learn Piano in 30 Days. Click the link in the description box below this video today. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel.